What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Rafael and I talk all things affiliate marketing, how to make money online. Okay, I break it down in simple ways that you can take action on today. Okay, so if you like content like that, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, click that red subscribe button to get notified for my latest video. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you support this video and you support my channel. Okay, that will help me get my videos out there to people that need to learn and see this information. Okay, but this video we're going to be talking about how to make money with YouTube without 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so if you are a new YouTuber or you're just getting started on YouTube, you might be thinking, oh, okay, I have to wait till I have 1,000 subscribers and I've reached the threshold YouTube approves me so I can start putting ads on my videos. Okay, that is not the case anymore. You can get started today making money, making at least $100 to $200 a day using affiliate marketing. Okay, this is my favorite method of making money online. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you my two favorite affiliate networks that you can get started today with and start making money. Okay, you don't need to wait till you have 1,000 subscribers or you have 4,000 hours of watch time. That's like the newest requirement to be part of YouTube's partner. Okay, YouTube's partner platform. So this method will work with any niche. Okay, if you're making a health and beauty niche YouTube channel, or if you're creating an affiliate marketing YouTube channel, this will work, okay? Because the platforms that I'm going to be showing you, they have hundreds and thousands of different niches, and you can basically promote a product on these using these platforms, okay? Affiliate marketing is the way to make money on the internet nowadays. It's like the easiest way because you literally don't have any startup costs. You don't have to deal with customer service, and you're directly not responsible for any kind of stuff like that. Okay, you're basically just like a third party. Uh, you're a salesman selling a product for the company. Okay, so it's pretty cool. If you make a sale, you get a commission. Okay, you don't get the full sale, but you do get a commission, and that's typically 50% or more with Clickbank here. Okay, Clickbank is one of the networks that I use, and Amazon Associates, it's a little less. It's like 10% or less. Um, but Amazon is huge, okay? So there's hundreds of thousands of products that you can promote, okay? So let me show you here the platforms if you are unfamiliar with them. This is Amazon Associates. It's free to sign up. And like I mentioned, they have hundreds of thousands of products. Definitely want to check this out, okay? If you are a new YouTuber, okay, you're just putting out videos and you want to start making some money, okay? And how you do this, okay, how you promote Amazon products, okay, is once you sign up, okay, once you fill out the information, you use your email, you are going to be getting approved within about a week. And once that's done, you will get a stripe on top of Amazon.com, uh, and that will allow you to start promoting any product, okay? And it's as simple as finding a product and going to the top corner of the stripe bar, okay? And you can actually click on your affiliate link and post it uh, on your YouTube description, okay? So basically, how you promote on YouTube is putting your links in the first line or inside of the description, okay? And that way, your visitors or your viewers can see the affiliate link, click on it, and if they purchase, you get a commission. Okay, so let me show you how this works. Okay, I explained it a little bit before, but this is how you actually do it. So we're here on Amazon, and this is the stripe I'm talking about. And basically, if we can search a product here, so for example, we're in the yoga niche, okay? We have a YouTube channel about yoga, tutorials on how to do certain kinds of, you know, exercises, okay? And we want to promote yoga mats because it's a product that we actually use or we want to recommend it to our audience, okay? Okay, so for example, we'll select a yoga mat, okay? And pretty much all these yoga mats you can promote on your YouTube channel. And it's as simple as coming here, clicking on the product. Okay, so this is a $21 product, and this is your affiliate link. Okay, this is what you're going to want to post in the description of your videos. Okay, now if it's a product that you use, I highly recommend you put it in the description. Okay, this is something your audience wants to see. Okay, if they trust you and you help them and you give them enough value, they will end up purchasing a product that you use and that you believe in. Okay, so you click on here. Okay, and this is your affiliate link. This is the link that you post in your description, and that is how you make um, commissions through Amazon on your YouTube channel. Okay, big vloggers like Casey Neistat do this. Go ahead and check out his videos. Think about like 6 months ago or to a year ago, he used to be big into affiliate links. Okay, he used to be big in affiliate marketing and promoting his cameras, his drones, and pretty much every product that he used, he promoted it on his YouTube channel. So definitely want to try out Amazon Associates if you are just starting on your YouTube channel and you don't have a lot of subscribers. Now, moving on to Clickbank. Clickbank is a little different. This is more of a digital products website. Okay, companies come here and they want to have affiliates selling their products for them. Okay, so there's, again, hundreds of different niches here. If you're in the health and beauty fitness niche, there will be a product here for you. Okay, and all you have to do is just select one of these products. Okay, this is the payout here. Okay, $27 here, and basically we can come over here to this drop down, and if we select gravity, that's gonna show us the products that are selling the most at this moment. Okay, so definitely want to come here to gravity and select that so you can figure out what products are the most popular and that are selling. Okay, you want to sell a hot product. Okay, so here we have this red detox tea. Okay, maybe if you have like a nutrition channel, this will also work, but it's very simple, guys. You come over here to promote, and you have a nickname. Okay, this is going to appear on your tracking link. Okay, so it could be simple as your name or like a short version of your name, and that's all you have to do there. And you click create, and this is your affiliate link. Okay, it's a little ugly here, but you can actually make it smaller by using something called bit.ly.com, or it's bit.li. That's a shortener. It's going to make your link look less ugly than this, so definitely want to use that as well. So now once you have your link, it's as simple as dropping it in your description. Okay, you can title it, "This is a product that I promote," or "This is my favorite red tea, check it out," and then your link. Okay, now also this is a little bit more advanced. You can come over here to their affiliate page. Okay, this is a page that's dedicated for affiliates, and they have different ways of how you can promote the product. They're actually going to give you templates, they're going to give you email swipes, and they're definitely going to help you promote the product by having all their marketing materials so you can promote it easier. Now, you don't have to get into this if you just want to just promote through Clickbank, but you can also get useful resources on their affiliate page. Okay, so yeah, guys, that is how you make money on YouTube if you have under 1,000 subscribers. These are some of the most popular affiliate networks that you can use today and start making some money online. Alright, so hope you liked this video. Hope you got value out of it. If you did, go ahead and like this video, and be sure to stay tuned for my next video. Alright.